back to the channel. Y'all, your girl has been sick with the stomach bug for like 3 days, so I need to go to the store. I'm gonna pick up a couple of things just to kind of get me back to my norm. I feel about 85% better, but I really, you know, aiming for 100. I'm gonna go to the store, pick up some juices. I want to get like a immuno shot. I have some kombucha already at home, so I'll be drinking that today. I'm gonna also get some fruits and stuff. So let's go get these few items, and then I plan to come back home, kind of clean and straighten up, because I just feel like once you kind of get in the house, it's just like sickness. It just feels like yuck, you know? It feels very yucky in there. So I want to clean, disinfect, do all those things. So we got a couple things on the agenda today, so let's go ahead and get started.
Wait, fully this thing from Indy, you did.
Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, start format it. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, start format it. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, start format it. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, start format it.
Who be the king of the sound? Bust a bus back, they just put a lock on the town. Now them be coming from miles around. See, they be coming cause they know how to gouge. Turn it up, now you know who holding the throne, so give me the crown. Saluting and trying to give me a pound. I don't really with you just clowns. Making the drip and throw this shit on the ground. Get low, bus. Now that's the way that it goes. When we up in the spot, the be flooded with holes. See, when you make it hot, the chicks will come out their clothes. That's when they get it. Mommy already know us. Turn it up, shorty wildin' and shorty open, she beastin' it out. For the record, just a second, I'm freaking it out.
Alright, y'all, so we are finally back from the grocery store, and y'all saw the little bit of things that I've already have laid out, but I did go ahead and unload some donuts, some croissants, some Pepsi. Y'all, the cravings, when I tell you, I went into the grocery store. Do not go in there on an empty stomach, and with me being sick, it's like I was craving everything in the daggone store. So I got me some Bugles. These are my favorite. The flavor shots, so addicting, like for real. The cold pressed juice. This is the tropical conversion. It has passion fruit, pineapple, peaches, banana, mango, apple, pear, and coconut water. This is about to be bomb. I just like the ingredients in there. And then I got me a detox shot. Your girl needs to detox her body, so I got this. And I got these cute little like apples, and it's got cheese and grapes. The kids are probably gonna munch on this tomorrow for a snack.
One for me, that one for Amara. Mine have apple and cheese, and instead of crackers, goldfish.
And yeah, let me go ahead and just unload these groceries, put them away. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna tidy up the house. I really wanted to do a deep clean, but like I said, y'all, I'm feeling like 85% better, and the energy just was not there. So I'm just gonna tidy up, multi-purpose a couple touch points that we we've really touched around the house, but nothing too serious. I'm going to start with the living room first, and then I'll circle my way back around and go back to the kitchen and just kind of clean up, tidy up, wash some dishes, all of those things.
I don't know what I was thinking about getting a white couch. Your girl is on a struggle bus, so the couch does look crazy. Just excuse it.
Amara, come get your blanket, baby.
One thing about it, if I start cleaning, I clearly don't know when to stop. But don't be like me. This is supposed to be real cute and simple, touch points, doorknobs, light switches, and here I am doing the most. So my advice to you is, if you're sick and the house needs a little picking up, focus on those small touch points. Open up the windows, let some fresh air in. Don't overexert yourself. Focus on your rest, stay hydrated, all of the things. Like I said, the house just been feeling real yucky, so I got a little bit of water and Downy, and I'm just spraying that on the furniture, on the curtains, just to freshen it up a bit. So I've done this Renner's DIY on my countertops, but girl, it is not giving. After a while, it starts peeling. The kids have messed with it. So it's just time for a new revamp. So I'm going to go ahead and get that done. So if you were wondering if I'm still doing the most, yeah, still doing the most.
Almost done, almost done.
Enjoy the life, baby, take a ride. I just wanna find you, baby, you and I can have a good time. Tell me what you like. Now listen, I've been single for a while now, and I've been kinda lonely. But I'm looking for somebody to talk to, love me, someone who can hold me. Is that you? I'm looking for somebody I can call through, looking for the only one that I can give my all to. Tell me if it's you, what you wanna do, make
The house is officially clean, and now I'm gonna go ahead and cook my dinner. I made some orange chicken and white rice. The chicken was alright, but my rice is on point every single time. So that's pretty much the end of the vlog, and I'll see you beautiful people in the next video. Peace.